Iranian drones raining down from the sky. Defiant cries as the Iron Dome stands high. This is the day the conflict explodes. Echoes of war as the battle unfolds. Israel defends against the Iranian might. But will this lead to a wider fight? The world looks on with bated breath as the two sides dance with death. Allies join in to aid Israel's plight, but the path ahead remains shrouded in night. This is the day the conflict explodes. Echoes of war as the battle unfolds. Israel defends against the Iranian might. But will this lead to a wider fight? Diplomacy fails, tensions flare. Fears of escalation fill the air. Can reason prevail before it's too late? Or will this clash seal the region's fate? This is the day the conflict explodes. Echoes of war as the battle unfolds. Israel defends against the Iranian might. But will this lead to a wider fight? The smoke clears, the battle ends, but the scars remain and the future bends. Will this be the start of a new era of strife? Or can peace prevail and save precious life? And save precious life.